Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will introduce you the fine and coarse setting of our Flocino. With your Flocino you can produce not only fine but also coarse grain flocks. I will now demonstrate this to you using oats. First we flocculate the oats at the coarse level. Now we turn the controller steplessly to fine. In the next step we now let oats through again at the fine setting. Now the flaking process is finished and you can clearly see the difference between the fine flocks and the coarse ones. That's it from today at KoMo Do It Yourself. See you next time.